I want to help you out if you're new to cooking turkey for Thanksgiving or Christmas or any holiday, or if you just need a little refresher on the ways to defrost turkey so it's not undercooked for the big day. So the deal is, the first way to do it is in the fridge, and this is the most recommended and the safest way to thaw turkey because it happens over days and it's kept at a really cold temperature in the fridge. But life happens, and I know even personally me, I have run into the issue where I forgot to thaw the turkey on time because sometimes you forget that it takes 3, 4, 5 days to thaw a turkey depending on the size. So the deal is, it's really not that recommended, but you could always thaw turkey in the sink. You just have to remember to keep the water temperature very cold. This means every half hour or so you have to refresh it with some ice and keep it fully submerged. I am here to help you with all of your turkey cooking needs this holiday season. Don't forget to check out some of the Sip, Bite, Go recipes for cooking turkey, from turkey breast to a whole turkey, turkey in the smoker, and turkey in the oven. Cheers!